Hello guys! Welcome to the course Introduction to Scratch. This course will introduce you to the Scratch environment. In this lesson, you will learn some basic commands such as the move command. You will also learn about sprites, the stage, the coding area, and the different types of commands. The first thing you have to do is to enter www.scratch.mit.edu and then click on the Create tab. Now, let's get to know the environment. The Scratch environment is divided into two sections, left side and right side. On the right side, you can find the stage, and below the stage is the information about the sprite and where you can add or remove sprites. The stage is where your program will run. When you first open Scratch, the Scratch cat is on the stage by default. The Scratch cat is called a sprite. It is one of many characters available in Scratch. You can program these characters to perform many things. I like to think of my sprite as the actor who will perform on the stage. On the left side is where you will do all your coding by dragging the code blocks into the empty area on the right. But you know what? Let's do some coding. Select the blue block called Move 10 Steps and drag it into the right into the empty space called the script area. Try clicking on the block that you just moved. Click anywhere on the block except the middle. This will make the cat move 10 steps. Now, let's try dragging the turn 15 degrees block and click on that to see what happens. Let's add some sound. Click the pink circle in the code menu to switch to the sound blocks. Now, drag the pink block called Play Sound Until Done into the script area. Click on the pink block anywhere except the middle and the cat should make a sound. Now, try out some of the other code blocks to see what they do. For example, try the point in direction block or go to block. Also, try blocks from other categories, such as the looks or sensing categories. Okay guys, now we have learned some basic stuff. But now I want to teach you how to connect code blocks. Now that you know how to drag and run individual code blocks, in this section, you will learn how to connect multiple code blocks to create a program. So first, drag the When Green Flag Clicked block and the Move 10 Steps block into the script area. Now, drag and connect the Move 10 Steps block below the When Green Flag Clicked block. Once that the blocks are connected, click the green flag located above the stage towards the left. You should see the cat move 10 steps. Now I have a little exercise for you guys. Can you make the cat move 15 steps? Sure? Let's make it more difficult. Can you make the cat move 20 or 30 steps? Okay. Do that. Okay guys, but it's time to do something more interesting. Let's make our Scratch the Cat speak. For this, click on the Add Extension icon located at the bottom of the code menu. Select the Text-to-Speech extension. You should now see the Text-to-Speech menu item in the code menu. Let's make our cat talk. Drag and connect the following two blocks. When this sprite clicked from the Events menu, and Speak Hello from the Text-to-Speech menu. Put them together. Now, click the white area in the Speak block where it says Hello and change it to My Name is Cat. Click on the cat sprite in the stage area and you should hear the cat say, My name is Cat. To change the voice of our cat, drag and connect the following blocks to the previous two blocks. Set voice to kitten. If you click on the little arrow next to where it says kitten, you can change the voice tone. Let's change the tone to squeak. After you select the voice tone, click on the cat sprite again and listen to the cat speak in that tone. Let's also make our cat move. From the motion menu, drag and connect the glide 1 second to random position to the previous blocks. Click on the cat sprite and watch the cat speak in the tone selected and then move to a random position within the stage. Okay guys, here's a little exercise. Make the cat say, "I am Scratch." Then try something different, like "I can purr" or "I can dance." What else can you make your cat say? Also, change the tone to kitten and try changing the glide 1 second to random position to glide 10 seconds to random position. Tell me, what happens? Does the cat speed up or slow down? Okay guys, this is connecting code blocks part 2. So far you have done a very good job. But it's time that we make our Scratchy the cat sing a song. Drag and connect the following blocks in this order. When this sprite click plus start sound plus speak "I am a cool cat" plus another speak block saying "look at me dance" plus another one with a fun sentence. Boom, 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 chicka, chicka, boom, chicka, boom. Now, your code should look a little bit like mine, like this. Click on the cat sprite and see what happens. Awesome guys, but yellow is getting a little bit boring. Let's change the cat's color. First, to get rid of the previous code, you only have to do this. And you got rid of them. Now I want you to drag and connect the following blocks. When this sprite clicked, set voice to squeak, change color effect by 25, and the speak block where I'm going to put "I look so much better in this color." Your code should look like this. Click on the cat sprite and watch it change color. Now guys, let's make the cat spin. Drag and connect the following blocks. When green flag clicked, plus forever. You can find this in the control menu. Next, insert the turn 15 degrees into the forever block. Click the green flag above the stage area and watch the cat spin. You can also click the stop next to the flag to stop it. Now, drag and connect the following blocks. When this sprite clicked, speak, "I'm getting dizzy. Stop spinning me." Great! Now click the green flag and while the cat is spinning, click on the cat sprite and it should speak every time you click it. Okay guys, very good. But I think it's time we do something else. Let's make an object grow and shrink. First, let's get rid of all of this code and try this one now. Drag and connect the following blocks. When this sprite clicked, set voice to squeak. Change size by 100. Speak hello. Change size by -100. Click the cat sprite and see what happens. Notice that we use +100 to make the cat grow, and then -100 to bring it back to its original size. Now I've got a little exercise for you. Play around with the numbers in the change size by 10 block and try different combination of numbers, negative and positive. Well done! Changing the look and feel. The stage looks very boring and empty, but we can change that right now. Let's add a backdrop to the stage. Adding a backdrop is super easy. Just click the backdrop icon located on the lower right corner. This will open the Choose a Backdrop window. Click on a backdrop, for example, this one over here. Now you should see the new backdrop in the stage. But you know what? Our cat seems very lonely, and I think we could add another friend or another sprite. Click the sprite icon located next to the backdrop icon. This will open a Choose a Sprite window, just like the backdrop window. Click on a sprite of your choice, for example, this one over here. And now you should see something like this on my stage. Fantastic! Great! Now that we have a new friend, how can we make it talk? We've got two sprites on our stage. But in order to code them, we have to do this separately. So we have to put separate code for each one of the sprites. Before we can start coding each one of our sprites, we need to make sure that this sprite is active by clicking on its icon in the sprites area. You can see from above the image that this sprite is active based on the blue outline. Also, you will notice that the coding area is empty since we haven't written any code for this yet. Drag and connect the following blocks. When this sprite clicks, speak hello. I am Matt the Bat. Click the Bat sprite and it should speak.